beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Timmy, Chef T, as you know. And today we are gonna be making something very simple. Do you know what we're gonna be making? Ooh, guys, we're gonna be making a very simple beef burger. So watch till the end of this video to see how I made my burger. I like eating burgers sometimes. That's like my guilty pleasure. I don't know about you all. Some people like chicken burger, their shrimp burgers, their fish burger. I eat everything. So let me show you right here the list of my ingredients. Right here I have my beef burger, that's my minced meat. I have my brioche bread, which I'm gonna be using for my burger. I have my egg. I'm gonna be using a list of condiments here, which I'm gonna be showing you guys later in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, and share this video among your friends. And also comment below what you like about this video. I'll see you guys at the end of this video. Stay tuned. About now, we are going to be getting into this video. I'll be breaking an egg into my burger and I will be mixing it together. A little bit of cheese and mix everything together. So we're gonna mix it together. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and some peppers. So into a bowl, into 2 bowls, because we are going to be using 2 bowls. Then we are gonna take this into our non-stick frying pan and whip up a little bit. We're gonna set this aside. Add my burger to the mix. I am going to press this down. As you can see, to make 2 patties. So that is my beef burger that I'm going to be using. Right now I am going to be cutting up some tomatoes. Every ingredient in the burger is optional and can be used according to your taste or whatever you want. You can add more ingredients or you can add less ingredients. It depends on your taste. So I'm just gonna be cutting a little bit of onions and tomatoes. I'm gonna be cutting in a little bit of lettuce to my burger. Some people love the lettuce, or some people love to chop it up. So yeah, that's it. Now we are going to go make our bread. Looking real good. Let's see. Our burger is coming right along. So right now I'm going to be adding cheese to my burger beef so it can melt it. Now my cheese is melted. I'm gonna add the burger to make it a double. As you can see, that is the melted burger. Into our pan, just to toast the bread a little bit. And we are gonna put our bread in it to soak up the butter. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. So this brioche bread are one of the sweetest bread, an amazing bread I have ever eaten in my life, to be honest. They are absolutely worth the price that you get for it, trust me. But you can actually use any burger bread you want, absolutely. Wheat bread, white bread, rye bread, brioche bread, whichever bread you're comfortable with. Burger sauce, I'm going to be using spicy mayonnaise. Yeah. I'm gonna be using a little bit of spicy mustard because I love spicy food. I'm going to be using chili sauce with garlic sriracha. Just a little bit of that. You don't want too much of that. And then I'm going to be using a Thousand Island. Yeah. I got my sauce. I got my sauce done. Ooh, that is looking nice. Can you see? So yeah, it's time to build our burger. I'm gonna put some of the sauce I made earlier into the bun, just like that. Oh, the smell in this kitchen right now is divine. So we are gonna add our freshly made burger right there, as you can see. Add some tomatoes. Add some onions. Then add some lettuce. Yeah, it's okay if some of the lettuce fall off. And yeah, put the other bun, and our burger is, and yeah, that's it. Our burger is ready. Ooh, I can't wait to eat this. Ooh, it looks so amazing. Guys, can you see? we have come to the end of this video, and I have here with me my amazing burger that I just made that I'm gonna devour right now. So anyways, thank you for watching this video, and thank you for watching me make this amazing spicy beef burger recipe. I hope you like it. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment below what you like about this video, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.